Use sound-dampening underlayments, dense tile choices, and post-installation soft surfaces to cut noise from laundry room tile floors. Start by selecting a high-density tile such as porcelain or natural stone because denser tiles transmit less airborne and impact sound than lightweight ceramics. Under the tile, install a sound-dampening underlayment designed for tile assemblies. Choose products rated for impact insulation, class improvement, and follow manufacturer instructions for thickness and adhesive coverage to avoid hollow spots that amplify noise. Isolate the washer and dryer with anti-vibration pads under each appliance foot, and consider a floating subfloor or decoupling membrane when remodeling to interrupt vibration paths into the structure. Use cementitious backer boards that are properly fastened and fully bonded with thinset mortar to eliminate flex, which produces tapping sounds underfoot. Seal perimeter gaps and transitions so sound does not leak into adjacent rooms through cracks or unbonded edges. After installation, place washable area rugs or runner pads in strategic zones and use furniture pads on any chairs or folding tables to further absorb impact energy. Common problems include hollow or poorly bonded tile that rings when walked on, which you fix by ensuring full mortar coverage beneath each tile and tapping suspicious tiles with a mallet to check for voids before grouting. Another issue is transmitted vibration from the washer and dryer, solved by leveling appliances, using heavyweight anti-vibration pads rated for the machine load, and checking suspension components on the machines to ensure they are functioning correctly. A third concern is overlooked sound paths through walls and doors. Address this by adding door sweeps, acoustic weather stripping around door frames, and acoustic sealant at baseboards and transition joints to limit flanking transmission. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like noise reduction for tiled laundry rooms, and we help people find local professionals willing to quote and schedule work. We host a discussion community where we and other members share real-world tips, product experiences, and installers to help both homeowners find help and contractors find work.